Hi everyone, Deciphering the Image is back and revamped. Thank you for sticking with me of this little break after winning the Telly Award. I wanted to bring back the series, but with a little bit more intimate approach and perspective, not just from me. This time around, you get to hear from the subject in the shoot and my team. Today's episode is packed with surprises, inspired by the classic icon of glamour and diversity, Barbie. I'm Javi Reyes, and this is Deciphering the Image. In today's video, we'll be deciphering an image inspired by the colors pink, cream, black, and white stripes, and the 50s. Let's get the Milano mood board up. As you can see, the inspiration for this photo shoot is Barbie. I wanted to shoot this concept as a fashion editorial photo shoot and use the city as my backdrop. Because this shoot was going to take place outside, the main consideration was hairstyling and makeup because of the hot weather. As you can see, in the Milano mood board, we have multiple looks with different hairstyles. These classic hairstyles were important to achieve because it gave a touch of diversity, which is one of the goals in our mood board. Model Stephanie arrived at my studio and we got started. For makeup, David Faner used a wide range of pink tones. He created a dark pink eyeliner that would extend to the outer corner of the brow. And then the eyeshadow, he kept it a soft pastel pink and gave it that 50s nod as he added a black wing eyeliner. He prepped the skin and kept the rest of the makeup soft with a nude lip so later on he could build on it. We are on location. As David Faner begins to get Stephanie's hair ready, I start to get set up and getting ready on what we'll be shooting the very first look. If you recall, in the Milano mood board, we had the inspiration for the bullet bra, which was very popular back in the 50s. I handmade a pink sequin bullet bra for this first look to go along with the hot pink heel tights. These two fabrics were different shades of pink, but I knew I could easily adjust this color back in Photoshop as I color graded. I shot with my Canon R5 and my go-to 24-70mm lens. For lighting, I used a combination of a silver reflector and of course sunlight. Barbie is an iconic figure, and I wanted to translate this concept. So I shot my model in a hero shot, which basically means a photo taken from an upwards angle. It creates a visual expression that represents strength and confidence. Take a step. We are off to the next look, and this one's one of my favorites. For this look, the inspiration in the mood board was the color cream, black and white stripes, and a ponytail. Stephanie changed into a black and white striped swimsuit, and David got to work on changing the hairstyle. I helped out a bit, which is something you'll catch me doing in the studio if necessary. For this shot, I wanted to include water and the color cream to make those stripes stand out. I wanted to shoot the model as if she were a tower in the buildings, so I asked David to reinforce the contouring under her chin. That way it would give more definition to her jawline. And then it was time to get the shot. And boy, did we get the shot.
Move your arms up to the side. Look away. Look at me.
So far, I've shot many photos making the model look taller. So let's change the pace and create some angles that resemble the stripes of her swimsuit. One of my musts when I'm not tethering is to show the model the back of my camera so she can see her poses and maybe readjust if she needs to, which in this case, we both realized we had to tweak it in order to make her legs look longer. This shoot could not be a Barbie shoot without a glamorous outfit. Feathers and sequins, here we come. Oh, and a hairstyle change too. David created a quick change by moving the hair to the side and holding it in place with a lot of bobby pins. This next shot is all about symmetry, so we started using the rails to create a leading line to add to that vibe or powerfulness. We also shot through the rails to frame the model as if she was inside the Barbie box. I hope you are loving the images because I'm over here over the moon with them. It's the last look of the day, so let's head over to the Milano mood board one last time. By now, you have seen me with 2 pieces of glass in my front lens. And these are crystals that you can use to create blurring effects. I wanted to create a dreamy look for this last look, something that Barbie has inspired over the years. I pulled out an old handmade design of mine that highlighted the classic silhouette of the 50s in a soft pink floral fabric. To finish the look, I added some spike heels and a black bow belt. I didn't want Stephanie to be out of focus, but I wanted to create that dreamy effect. And this is where the crystals came in. These last images, I think, encapsulate the mood board inspiration and conclude this editorial inspired by this iconic figure that continues to transcend generations. To see more of the images from this shoot, make sure you check out the Tomorrow magazine publication, Midtown Barbie. The link will be in the description box. So how was the shoot today?
It was really good. I enjoyed so much because we did a lot of stuff and different things, different poses.
What was your favorite picture so far?
One that I was in a jumpsuit, and I like the swimsuit one that I was like right in the fountain.
Stephanie, where can we find you on Instagram?
My Instagram is ESTEFANNYDTA, Stephanie DTA.
Precisamente Barbie es una inspiración para todos. Los colores rosas es algo muy lindo. En esta ocasión utilicé los rosas pensando en que iba a ser en el exterior, entonces que se viera pero que tampoco fuese tan marcado. Entonces utilicé los rosas, los blancos, una piel así que se viera súper fresca, cejas bien peinadas, sus pestañas y su boca pronunciada pero rosa, sutil, carnosa y bonita.
Thank you so much for joining me on this episode, and check out all the previous ones to discover how mood board and narratives can create compelling images. Be sure to join our newsletter in MediaPoets.com to get access to all the episodes before it goes public. I'll see you on the next episode.